Electrifying commercial fleets drives new levels of simplicity, productivity, and cost savings for business. We deliver the same benefits for manufacturers of heavy-duty electric vehicles. High-voltage systems created new challenges for cable routing, management, and safety, challenges Panduit engineers were eager to solve. Our innovative high-voltage EV cable clamps are ideal for routing and securing large conductors. They are easy to install, with range-taking rubber grommets to safeguard delicate cable insulation and eliminate the weight and cost of additional cable protection. Or route high-voltage cables through flame-resistant corrugated Loom tubing and hold them firmly in place without compression using corrugated Loom clamps. Quickly connect energy systems with narrow-tongue power lugs. They fit easily through cable glands, install with a handheld crimping tool, and exceed UL standards for pull-out force. Add environmental protection with Panduit heat shrink. Throughout the vehicle, you can rely on Panduit's extensive portfolio to identify, mount, and protect wires and hoses. And our partnership goes beyond products. Technical service engineers are standing by to provide application guidance for novel design challenges, ensuring you have solutions to efficiently manufacture the most reliable commercial electric vehicles. Together, we can accelerate the transition to an electrified future.